Hey guys, this is Levi Cox with United Country Blue Ridge Land and Auction Real Estate. We're excited to offer this property for your consideration. This home was built back in 2024, offering 2,800 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, an office, attached double garage. You can see behind me, we got a nice spring-fed pond full of largemouth bass and bluegill. We got great exterior fencing, cross fencing. We've got a corral that's set up. It's a 250 foot by 150 foot roping arena with lights, water boxes, run-in sheds. So if you're in the lifestyle of being outdoors, looking for a place to have some horses and some cattle, this is certainly a property that you want to check out. So give me a call, 540-230-7162. Visit LeviCoxRealtor.com. Have a blessed day. We look forward to hearing from you.